Good afternoon, folks. This is Rick Hogue with United Real Estate Infinity, and I'm out here at 2539 Southwest 39th Street here in wonderful Cape Coral, doing a home tour today. Pan through this front end of this house. This is a gorgeous home with very mature royal palms out front, and this sits on a somewhat of a pie-shaped lot. And I'll pan around here so that you can see the rest of the neighborhood. Everything in this area is just simply gorgeous. Across the street, you don't have to worry about neighbors at this time because it's an empty lot. And then there's a couple of more lots down here that are empty too. So you've got quite a bit of space over here that you don't have to worry about having a whole lot of neighbors. And when you get into the house, you'll see there's a lot of spaces in here for your family, or for just your house guests, or whatever it might be. So anyway, I'm going to stop and I will take back up when I go back in. Okay, so we're going into the house. This home is ready for immediate occupancy. It has 2,309 square feet under air, and as you can see, that great nice back end of this house. It has a large area over in the kitchen area that can be used as a dining room area or eat-in kitchen. Nice kitchen with granite countertops, a wall of ovens. Look like newer appliances in here, and a flat top. To the front of this house, there is a nice office, den, or fourth potential bedroom. Does not have a closet in it. And by the way, the majority of the rooms have these plantation shutters, and they can be opened up both by means of just opening up the blinds, or you can actually pull them back out of the way so you can have full view with the full window view. Okay? All right, so we're going to go over here to the master suite first. It's on the right hand side. This is a split bedroom style, two on one side, one on the other. This is your master, and as you can see, it has a tile wood look floor. Again, it has exit from the bedroom out to the pool and spa area, as well as down toward the dock. It's a really, really nice room. The closets in the master have the California closet type set up, so everything's set for you to be able to put in any of your clothes that you want and get it really organized. In the master bath, we have, of course, the toilet, and we have a shower. And over here we have a bench. Again, we have more of the shutters, separate sinks, and a big soaker tub. Walk back out into the main part of the house. This is the main living area, and it has all kinds of built-ins, and it already has been wired with speakers. And those look like the Bose speakers, so they've done a nice job of putting in a great line of surround sound in here. Large pantry. Plenty of storage for a pantry. We'll make our first turn over here, and this is going to go out toward the garage and also to the laundry room. The garage is a 2-car garage, and actually, if you really look at it, it's a 2.5, because you have that wide space in between them. So you've got plenty of space for storage. And then the laundry room also has a wash sink with compact cabinets up and down, and the washer and dryer do convey with the property. So we go back over toward the other bedrooms. We have a linen closet here. And you'll be happy to know that there is not a single room in this home that has carpet. I know a lot of people, some people up north want carpet, a lot of people down here do not. It's just something else that you have to track and get sand out of if you're going to be doing anything. Nice sized bedroom. This one only has a blind over it, and I think it's just because of where it is. And it has a blind of tall palm trees to the right. This home does have 3 bedrooms. This is the second 3 bedrooms, and it has 3 full baths. This is the second full bath, but it was with a tub shower combination. Here's the third, and this third bedroom could be for house guests that you have coming from out of town. And it is equipped with a ensuite of its own, 3-piece ensuite of its own with a shower. And this also has a door going out to the outside, so you could essentially pull the pocket door on this particular room and make this where it's a pool bath as well. This room also has sliders going out to the pool spa area too. Go back over here. And we'll go outside and talk a little bit about the outside. Multiple ways to get out to this fabulous lanai area. And all total, this house has about 4,649 square feet of covered area. Just 2,309 is under air. I'll go outside and I'll give you a better view. Looking at the back of the house, we have a covered lanai area. And you can see all the doors that it has that come out onto the lanai area. Nice seating area here. I would say that you would probably be able to find a real good place to put up a grill and that sort of thing. The swimming pool is very lovely. It's a concrete pool. And it has 2 little waterfalls coming out of the base. Plus it also has a spa. And that'll easily sit 6 people. I'm going to go outside here to the backyard and go down here to the dock area. Nice size side yard over here. And by the way, the pool is heated, so that's a good thing. All the equipment looks like it's in really good shape. You can see if you look across this property, from here all the way over to those palm trees on the other side. That's how big this lot is, and a bunch of beautiful royal palms out here in the back as well. Take the steps down to the wooden deck that's at the dock. And this is a wide canal. This is between 120 and 150 feet wide on this canal. The dock decking could probably use just a little bit of work. It needs to be cleaned and sprayed down, but other than that, this is really nice. And there's also room if you have friends that you're going to have an outdoor barbecue or something like that at your home. They're coming in by boat. Got plenty of space for you to dock up. And you can see just really a lovely space here. Now you take this down and you make 2 turns. You get onto the spreader canal, and it takes somewhere between 45 minutes and 1 hour and 10 minutes to get to the lock. And you go out there, and that way you can get right out into the Gulf. But it's a beautiful ride. Most of this is no wake zone, so you have to take that in consideration. There is one bridge, so Boats above 8 feet 6 inches probably aren't going to make it through here. So you're not going to get a sailboat down through here, but you will get a boat 8 feet 6 inches tall out of the water. Cover has just been put on not too long ago as well. There are 59 restaurants near this property, from medium to, or from low price to medium high price. There's several golf courses. The Rotary Park is down here in this area, real close to you, and that's fabulous if you have dogs, because that's where there's also a dog park down there. I think it's $25 a year to be able to use the park, and all that does is help the Rotarians do a lot of great things here in the community. I hope you've enjoyed this tour, and I want you to have a fantastic day. Please give me a call if you are interested in this property. My telephone number is 239-910-8987. That's 239-910-8987. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon. Bye now.